Cole drives forward, pass one, pass two, oh what a touch, and Cole cut post, the post! Goal! The first goal! Cole just watches the ball come back, no frustration, no drama, that calmness, that is what separates the truly great players.
Next one.
Brazil score!
Still, I know that. Look, that is not a beaten man. That is someone who just...
We can.
23 minutes. A World Cup on the line. And Trainer Talks on the 22-year-old. Can he deliver?
23 minutes. More than...
Now you can generate unlimited realistic football videos with Seedance 2.0 without facing any restrictions. Not only that, you'll get access to all the top AI image and video models in one place, along with many other AI tools that you can use without spending a single penny. You'll also get early access to Seedance 2.5 on this platform. So today, I'm going to show you how I created this realistic football video using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 inside HIX AI. Make sure you pay close attention, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using HIX AI is your all-in-one AI platform and your personal AI agent workspace. You can use it for your business, work, or content creation. Everything you need is available in one place. As I mentioned earlier, you get access to all the top AI image and video models here, so you don't have to switch between multiple tabs. Today, I'll be using Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. First, we need prompts for our video, so click on AI Chat. In the model section, you'll find all the Google models, OpenAI models, and Claude models in one place. You can use whichever model you prefer or compare them with each other to see which one works best. I'm using Gemini 3.5 Flash, and I keep the internet option enabled because it's the best way to get more accurate and detailed results. After that, I simply add a brief description of my video along with my character's face as a reference. Then I click send, and within a few seconds, it generates detailed prompts for all 6 scenes of my video. Since I also want better scene consistency, I ask it to generate image prompts as well. It provides both image prompts and video prompts. Finally, I copy all the prompts and use them one by one. Now we can generate images from the side menu, or you can simply go to the main dashboard and select image models. You'll find all the popular image models here, including Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, and many others. I'm selecting GPT Image 2. Then I paste the character sheet prompt that I just generated in AI Chat. I also upload my character's face as a reference image. After that, I select the aspect ratio, set the resolution to 4K, choose the number of output images, and enable high quality. Then I click send. It brings me to this page and starts generating the image. Here is the result. As you can see, our character sheet has been generated successfully. It includes all the side angles, the character's outfit, the character's name, and detailed close-up face shots. From here, you can download the image, remove the background, upscale it, and access several other editing options. Now let's generate the first scene. I upload the character sheet as a reference, paste the scene prompt, and keep the rest of the settings exactly the same as I showed you earlier. Then I click send. Here is the result. It looks like both teams are entering the stadium to begin the football match. Just look at the environment. No one would be able to tell that this was created with AI. So, using the same process, I generated all the remaining scenes one by one. I simply replaced the prompt for each scene while keeping the same character sheet as the reference to maintain consistent facial features, clothing, and overall appearance throughout the video. The results turned out incredibly consistent and realistic. Every scene matches the storyline perfectly, with cinematic lighting, detailed environments, and natural-looking characters. Once all the scene images were ready, it was time to turn them into smooth, high-quality videos using Seedance 2.0. Now it's time to generate the videos. You can either use the side menu or, just like before, go to the main dashboard and select video models. If you check the available video models, you'll find all the leading AI video generators in one place, including Veo 3.1, Kling, Seedance, and many others. There's no need to switch between different platforms. I'm going to use Seedance 2.0. First, I upload my character sheet and the first scene image as references. Then I paste the video prompt into the prompt section. You can also change the video mode here, but I recommend using Omni reference because it gives the best character consistency. After that, select the aspect ratio, resolution, video duration, and the number of output videos. Once everything is set, click send. The generation will begin, and after a short wait, your first scene video will be ready. Here is the result.
And here they come, both teams emerging from the tunnel into one of the greatest atmospheres this stadium has ever produced. 90,000 people on the team for Portugal. The Ethan reached the FIBA World Cup final. 22 years old, captain's armband World Cup final. Look at that face. The youngest captain. And if the pre-perioding form is anything to go by.
Same grass, same ball 10, same game.
As you can see, the motion is smooth, the character remains consistent, and the overall quality looks incredibly realistic. Now let's generate the second scene. The process is exactly the same. I upload the character sheet along with the second scene image, then paste the corresponding video prompt into the prompt section. I keep the rest of the settings exactly the same as before and click generate. After a short wait, the second scene is ready. Here is the result.
Cole drives forward, pass one, pass two. Oh, what a touch! And Cole cut post! The post! Back goal! The first goal! Cole just watches the ball come back. No frustration, no drama. That calmness, that is what separates the truly great players.
As you can see, the character consistency is maintained perfectly. The motion looks smooth and natural, and the scene blends seamlessly with the first one. So, using the same process, I generated all the remaining scenes one by one. Once all the videos were ready, I imported them into CapCut and arranged them in sequence. Here is the final result.
And here they come, both teams emerging from the tunnel into one of the greatest atmospheres this stadium has ever produced. 90,000 people on the team for Portugal. The Ethan reached the FIBA World Cup final. 22 years old, captain's armband World Cup final. Look at that face. The youngest captain. And if the pre-perioding form is anything to go by.
Same grass, same ball 10, same game.
Cole drives forward, pass one, pass two. Oh, what a touch! And Cole cut post! The post! Back goal! The first goal! Cole just watches the ball come back. No frustration, no drama. That calmness, that is what separates the truly great players. Brazil scores!
Still, I know that look. That is not a beaten man. That is someone who just...
We can.
23 minutes, a World Cup on the line, and thoughts on the 22-year-old. Can he deliver?
23 minutes. More than
Cole through ball, Gonçalves, and it's in! Portugal equalise. What have we got to back in this World Cup final?
How did you see that? You didn't even look.
I always know where you are.
Listen to this stadium. Listen to it.
12 minutes remaining, Portugal level and everything to play for.
Cole
drives
scoring
forward,
in this World
pass
Cup
one,
final.
pass two, to the touch, and Cole shoots the post. So close, that is inches away from opening the scoring in this World Cup final.
Just the ball come back. No frustration, no drama.
That is what separates the truly great players.
Next one goes in.
Unlucky 10, that was in.
Next one.
Cole, volley. Ethan Cole, the 89th minute of the World Cup.
Portugal
Portugal
lead 2-1.
time remaining. Is that you're going to win? Portugal World Cup. That's the line. 1 minute, hold it. For the flag. 1 minute of normal time remaining. Is the man going to win Portugal the World Cup?
Hold the line. 1 minute. Hold it.
The whistle. Portugal are world champions. Ethan Cole and Portugal have won the FIFA World Cup 2-1 in the 89th minute. Extraordinary young man has led his country to the greatest prize in football.
And there it is. Proceed.
The whistle! It's 2-1 in the 89th minute ever. This extraordinary young man has led his country, Ethan Cole. Portugal World Cup winner!
Pro secret. This one, hit that like button. We earned it. World champions.
As you can see, the character stays consistent throughout the entire video. The football action looks smooth and realistic, and every scene blends together seamlessly. The camera movements, lighting, and stadium atmosphere make it feel like a real cinematic football match rather than an AI-generated video. This level of quality is exactly what makes this workflow so powerful. HIX AI gives you access to a wide range of AI tools for free with its free plan, although there are some limitations. If you want unlimited access to all the top AI image and video models without restrictions, I highly recommend checking out their subscription plans. If you choose the annual plan, you can get 50% off, making it one of the best value deals available. You won't find this offer at such a low price elsewhere. I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.